guys, and welcome back to this midweek motivational clean with me. I was filming this when we had the heat wave the other week, so I'll share with you guys what I did with regards to cleaning because it was very hot that week. If you live in the UK, you know it's not our usual summer weather, but I did enjoy it. Anyway, because it was hot, I managed to get a lot of washing done, so I wanted to put on a wash first thing in the morning, and then while that was going I cleaned up our bed. I always make the bed every day. I'm sure I've spoken about this a ton of times before, but I just find that making the bed gets the day off to a good start. So in the bedroom, well, actually all of the rooms were so warm because they were nicely heated up by the sun. So what I was trying to do was keep all the curtains closed that we had curtains in. Some of the rooms we don't have any curtains or blinds in at the moment because we're still decorating. We've only been in this house for a year now, so we're still trying to figure out what we would like in each window. So I will keep you updated on that, but also I do have a video coming up where I'll share with you a lot of our new home decor that I've picked up recently. They're just little pieces. I will be sharing more room makeovers in the future, but at the moment we're just picking up small pieces until we decide what we want to do for each room. I've spoken about this on YouTube stories, but I thought I'd share it here in a video as well. Ben and I have been getting this Oddbox each week. So it basically, you can have it each week if you would like, and you can have add-ons. And basically it's all fruit and veg that is maybe wonky and not suitable for the supermarkets, which I think is crazy. But anyway, Oddbox have rescued all this fruit and veg, and they pack it up each week and send it to you. So I will link down below the subscription. I want to say it's only £11 a week, but you get a really great selection and variety each week, and it's also a nice way of trying out things that you maybe wouldn't necessarily buy at the supermarket. So it's a nice way of testing out new recipes with different kinds of fruit and veg. We live in a real heavy hard water area now, so the kettle does get super clogged up with all of that nasty white stuff, the lime scale and things like that. So once a week I do clean our kettle with white vinegar. I let it soak and then I boil it and rinse it out, and it works an absolute treat. And here I am cleaning out our washing machine. Ever since we moved into this house, I have maintained this washing machine so it doesn't need lots of cleaning. I just get a little bit of build up in the rim. So here I'm using white vinegar and the washing up liquid and water mix spray, and I'm just soaking it all and scrubbing it before then putting in some white vinegar in the fabric softener tray, and also 2 cups of soda crystals in the drum, and then I put it on the highest wash, which is 90 I think on this machine, and that just gives it a good clean out. This is actually the next day because it was so hot that I didn't have the energy to do any more cleaning. So the next day I did the washing machine, and I also decided to clean the blinds and the window frames in the kitchen. Now I have found in the summer, because we've got all the windows open, a lot of bugs do get trapped in between the window and the blinds section. So I am having to clean this up a lot. I'd love to know from you guys if you do have shutters as well. If you have the same problem, everywhere that we do have the shutters, it just gets really dirty in between there. I guess it's just one of those things, but I do find these shutters a lot easier to clean than the Venetian blinds that we had. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you're all well and enjoying your summer. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if it motivated you to do some cleaning, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.